Alright, let's add functionality to the editor. Which I mean is we'll just change everything in the editor. In the editor, basically it's going to be UI controller editor. I always put editor at the end. Because I don't want to hit the play button all the time and change things and then forget I did that. I want to change the end of the editor. I'm going to do that. Editor. Public override. Visual create inspector GUI. Var root equals new visual element. Inspector. What was it called again? Inspector element. Element dot. Spelled it wrong, didn't I? Element dot. Fill default inspector. Root this. Dot serialize object. Don't really need this then. This. Now I wish I could return root, but that's not going to happen. The next thing we're going to do is var docseer equals serialize object of defined property doc. Now you're probably wondering where doc came from. If you, oh, I forgot. Custom editor type of UI controller. If you look at the UI document, I want the UI document. That's all I want. If doc, var doc equals docseer dot object reference object as UI document. Not serialized up. Reference. Object reference value as UI. If doc equals null, return root. Root dot var le equals root dot doc dot root visual element. If le equals null, return root. I'm just trying my hardest to make sure there is something there, so it doesn't go crazy. Le dot. Now this will look familiar. Equals, but instead of this, it'll be target. Target basically is this. Now le dot data source path equals new. If you go back into UI controller, this is what you're looking for, model. You're just looking for the name. You're not looking for anything else. Put it in there. And then, if everything went smoothly, we took root. Now we go back in here, go back. something wrong here. It's in the editor. Check. This one reference. Huh. No? Oh. Drag and drop in that. Bam. Now everything changes in the document. What's cool about this is I need everything. We got functionality in runtime and code. All you have to do is change the variables. And everything, you can test it all out. Now if you want to do, you can go to and multi-line for the chat box. Doc should be up there, honestly. There we go. Let's change this up here because that just makes more sense. It took a bit longer because I had to figure out what I did wrong. Ugh, don't you love it? Want to add something? Just add it. Like maybe the size of the variable. Maybe you want to change public floats, chat size. Which I don't know if you would want to do that, but you can. Text. Font size. Go ahead and add. Might have to. There you go. You hit the play button, and it still works. Want to get rid of that? Add. Want to get rid of the icon? Go ahead. Just go crazy. If you really want to, you can add this as like a scriptable object. And all you have to do is replace it. And it just works. Well, that's it.